The Turkish Navy recently received the first Leonardo ATR-72 or P-72 anti-submarine warfare patrol aircraft from Turkish Aerospace Industries. Within the scope of the Meltem III project, the first P-72 Naval Patrol Plane with TCB 751 tail number was received by the Naval Forces Command at a ceremony held at TUSAŞ Ankara facilities and transferred to the Naval Air Command Kartepe, Kocaeli, Ministry of Defense of Turkey said in a statement today. In mid-2021, Alenia Airmachi signed an agreement with Thai for modification of 6 ATR-72 aircraft into ATR-72-600A SWTMPA or Turkish Maritime Patrol Aircraft configuration. The work to convert the green ATR-72600 in ATR-72-600 TMPA will be performed by Thai. The aircraft are being under the Meltem III program. It is a special version of the ATR-72 turboprop regional aircraft made by the French-Italian ATR joint venture Alenia Airmachi EADS. The first aircraft was expected to be delivered in February 2017. The ATR-72 TMPA is the Turkish Navy version of the ATR-72 anti-submarine warfare aircraft with competitive acquisition and operational costs. The ATR-72-600 TMPA plane is integrated with Thales Amasco's mission system and will include new functionalities such as ICE, Link 16 and the last generation weapon systems, like the Mk-54 lightweight torpedo. The Amasco's or Airborne Maritime Situation and Control System mission system relies on multiple sensors to detect, identify and track threats, maintain real-time tactical situation awareness, manage NATO and national tactical data links and deploy onboard weapon systems. While Alenia Airmachi is responsible for the design and development of the transformation of the basic platform and for the mission systems installation and integration with the onboard systems of the basic aircraft, Thales will act as lead systems integrator for the ATR-72600's new avionics suite, which offers improved performance in terms of reduced weight and electrical power consumption as well as higher reliability and better long-term serviceability. The typical missions of this version include vessel search and identification, search and rescue, drug, smuggling and piracy control, environmental control pollution by oil and chemical substances, maritime patrol roles, economic exclusive zone patrol fishing, offshore platforms, and anti-submarine warfare.